after it, buddy.
Don't help him, Ian.
Oh, look at it. Peel and drag. Peel and drag. Yeah.
He's still peeling. Let's see what you got.
Come on, son. Oh, he said,
Oh no.
he's going to spool it.
Awesome. I'm getting slack. Oh, he
He ain't stopping. He's still going.
Slow down. Keep going, big guy. It's not slowing down.
You need help with anything, Ian?
Oh, I'm just gonna crank that in. Slow down yet?
Uh-uh.
No. I think it's got fast.
Still
Hey,
peeling.
you gotta steer me. Someone's gotta steer me.
All right. Hey, Golan, can you steer him? Will you steer him?
There, it's being real hard. No, I think you meant the other pole. I'm taking some ground back. I'm already tired and I just... That's all you get fans. Don't worry, your arm will get into it. You're just getting warmed up. Yeah. Gotta work to the burn, baby.
Hey, Davey, how you feeling right now, buddy?
I feel great. Woo! Attaboy. You gaining on it? Yeah, I'm gaining. Oh, yeah. He's gonna take it right back out. Yep, here it goes.
Peeling again?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're gaining. You're gaining.
Oh, no, I'm not gaining now. Alright, there we go. There we go. Two cranks at a time. That's right. Right here, paint it right here and I'll help you. Going out a lot. There we go, going out. Yeah. Not anymore. Oh, I got a lot. I had a lot of steak.
Looks like you got about half your spool back now, David. You're gaining.
Oh yeah, you're almost there.
Yeah.
Oh, getting heavier.
4 hours.
Yeah. Yeah, a couple more hours, David. You can handle it.
This is a marathon, not a race. Watch him run now.
Oh yeah, he's about to take off. Yeah.
My goldfish out goldfish. Teaser. Yeah, Winston picked up. Got a little rough.
A little bit.
They're still out here. Oh man. Get out of the way, Nate.
Yep, I am. Let me around the other side. You got it on that side? All right.
That was just the gas. Keep coming right. That wind is picked up. You see any color yet?
Not yet. Come on, Davey, get on it. Oh, I see color now. Yep.